It's a lesson para na todo. Dapat sabi sa you should know the parts, all parts na car, especially the functional aspect. You know what? It could have saved me money for repair, no? If I knew this. Senegaliste, oh. Oh. SL feature adelante. El reverse, I know. But this one, the front, dura isa ta pregunta, Senegaliste front feature and see, no? Tadali LL distansya. Accidentally, I was able to figure this out. I just pressed this accidentally. Oh, este gali, oh. So you should know your car na dapat Senegaliste feature and see na. Kapag Chenele otro feature tamin na side, no? There's a side. Okay, so towards adelante getele. So lesson learned, no? Know your car.